Welcome to our Mystical Earthlings channel, where we dig up the most fascinating and sometimes downright bizarre stories from nature's wonders. Today, we're rolling into a tale about one of the world's tiniest yet mightiest creatures, the dung beetle. A creature that might not be winning any beauty contests, but is hands down one of nature's most fascinating engineers. Have you ever wondered why this little beetle spends its days rolling balls of dung? What could possibly make this a worthwhile activity? Well, today, we are diving deep into the life of the dung beetle to uncover its secrets, and you might be surprised by what we find. First things first, this isn't just a game of keep the ball rolling. For the dung beetle, this is serious business. Dung beetles are incredibly strong for their size. Some species can carry or roll dung balls that are up to 50 times their own body weight. This makes them one of the strongest insects relative to their size. But why dung, you ask? Why not something more glamorous like leaves or twigs? The answer lies in survival and some pretty clever thinking. Dung beetles roll dung for a few reasons, all of which are pretty impressive. For one, it's their food source, a nutrient-packed snack that provides all the energy they need. But here's where it gets interesting. They're also doing it to impress a mate. That's right, in the world of dung beetles, the bigger your dung ball, the more attractive you are. If you've enjoyed this content so far, drop us a beetle like. You never know. Maybe it'll roll into something even more interesting, just like a dung beetle with its prized ball of dung. But what happens when two beetles want the same dung ball? Is it a friendly you take it, or a fierce battle to the finish? We'll find out soon. But first, let's explore another curious behaviour. Why do some dung beetles bury their prized possessions underground? By burying their dung, these beetles are ensuring that their future offspring have a safe, nutritious start in life. You see, buried dung isn't just food, it's a nursery. The female lays her eggs inside the ball, and when the larvae hatch, they have a ready-made meal. Talk about meal prep on another level, but here's something that might surprise you. What if I told you that dung beetles can also navigate by the stars? How does a beetle, barely bigger than a coin, use the Milky Way as a GPS? Is it instinct, learned behavior, or something more mysterious? Keep watching to find out. When it comes to a dung ball showdown, it's survival of the fittest. The strongest beetle usually wins, but sometimes they engage in a little trickery to steal a ball from an unsuspecting rival. And as for those nighttime navigators, scientists have discovered that dung beetles use the stars and even the moon to find their way, proving that even the smallest creatures can have a touch of cosmic brilliance. Now that we've uncovered the fascinating life of dung beetles, let's take a moment to appreciate the cuteness of their next generation. These little guys may not be winning any beauty pageants either, but just look at them go, rolling their tiny dung balls like seasoned pros. If you found today's journey into the secret life of the dung beetle intriguing, why not join us for more adventures into the wonders of nature? By subscribing, you're not just staying updated, you're helping us bring more of the Earth's hidden stories to light. And we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments if there's an animal behavior you'd like us to explore next. Your suggestions might just inspire our next video. Thanks for watching.